Okay, today we're going to talk briefly about thumb pain, thumb arthritis, and things called trigger points. So if you get rid of the trigger points, which are in the muscles, your pain can go down. So get rid of those trigger points. Simply put, trigger points are highly irritable areas in skeletal muscle that are painful when you press on them. And sometimes when you press on them, they can send or refer pain out to the other surrounding areas. Here's an interesting study that highlights the importance of getting rid of trigger points in the thumb. In this study, researchers took 31 patients with thumb arthritis of the carpometacarpal joint, and that's the lower thumb joint, base of the thumb arthritis or CMC joint arthritis. They were consecutively assigned to get either an ischemic compression technique to treat trigger points in the thumb or a fake treatment. When reassessed 1 week later, the group that had their trigger points treated had less painful thumb muscles. As you can see, getting rid of trigger points can really help in eliminating pain and discomfort that is coming from the thumb muscles. So what's this ischemic compression technique they used in the study that was so darn effective? In a nutshell, it involves putting pressure on the trigger point in a systematic fashion. But before I show you that, let me show you how to find a trigger point. So there are little areas in the muscle you can search around and find. A lot of times the problem is you have to press down on these trigger points, and if you have trouble pressing, sometimes you have problems with the other thumb, arthritis in the other thumb, and there's also another technique you can use for that, so that way you don't have to use your thumb. So yeah, lots of stuff you can do besides just, the thumb arthritis. Sometimes you have a muscular component to your pain, and this will help you get rid of that.